Hi guys, this is Jeff from Pinoy Fitness, and we recently just got the latest Fitbit Charge 2, and we're very excited to unbox this for you and share with you guys some of the latest features this activity tracker has to offer. So right out of the box, some of the features is the Fitbit Charge 2 has a pure pulse heart rate capability. So it means it can detect your heart rate without a chest strap right from your wrist. This is one of the technologies that Fitbit pioneered in the fitness industry. It can also detect all-day activity plus your sleep. And one of the features that the Fitbit Charge 2 has is it is able to detect the sport that you're actually doing. So let's say, for example, you're running, you don't have to set or to tell Fitbit Charge 2 that you're running. The device would automatically detect the activity that you're doing. So this is one of the features we're really very excited to test out. It can actually be connected to your smartphone, and you can change the color of the bands. It's not actually also indicated in the box, but the Fitbit Charge 2 has also a connected GPS. So if you connect the Fitbit Charge 2 with your smartphone, using the GPS of the phone, you can actually use it to detect speed, pace, and distance. So let's proceed to the actual unboxing. So that's it for the short unboxing and quick features of the new Fitbit Charge 2. So I'm gonna use this for a week and check out some of the additional features that the watch will have. So if you have any questions about the watch, leave a comment below. We'll see if we can test it out over the week while we're using it. And if you like this video, do click on subscribe. See you guys.